Attention, a fire has been reported in this building. Please cease operations and leave the building utilizing the nearest exit or fire exit stairwell. Do not use elevators.
Is it just me or is this happening everybody this week?
I gotta get ready for all the other classes. We got 2 days. No, no, no. I'm gonna forget tomorrow.
Attention, a fire has been reported in this building. Please cease operations and leave the building utilizing the nearest exit or fire exit stairwell.
Go
Do
quickly,
not use
please.
elevators. Repeat, do not use elevators. Attention, a fire has been reported in this building. Please cease operations and leave the building utilizing the nearest exit or fire exit stairwell.
Go quickly,
Do not
please.
use elevators. Repeat, do not use elevators. Attention, a fire has been reported in this building. Please cease operations and leave the building utilizing the nearest exit or fire exit stairwell. Do not use elevators. Repeat, do not use elevators. Attention, a fire has been reported in this building. Please cease operations.
Well, today just got interesting. Whew. Take my mask off for a minute. I ended up watching these guys on YouTube, and ironically, they had the same thing happen at their college yesterday.
Oh yeah?
It's like, what are the odds?
Yeah, this has happened before in classes. It's kind of annoying.
Yeah, I'd have to agree.
Yeah. Yeah, my guess is it's probably just no, it's
That's the best side of that guy. I feel like he probably just pulled it and ran.
So, do you prefer us to call you doctor?
oh, Mr. Larson, professor, doctor, all of it's fine.
Okay, I'll call you Dr. Larson.
Okay.
It is fine. Can you
Alright, well, we've been given the all clear by the looks of it, so we heading in and yeah, that's it, thank you.